Oh, hi. As you heard in my last video, we're doing the Charlie challenge. If you didn't watch that video, go watch it. I was looking for some pepper. Crap. So hard. Oh my god. You have to be a freaking magician to do this. I'm just setting it up. Okay, like this makes no sense. Why do you have to do this? Why just use a Ouija board? Okay, did it. So you don't think I'm lying? Okay, so Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Apparently he's not here. Okay. What? Oh my. Okay. But. Bye. I'm not trolling either. That just literally moved. Charlie, am I a nice person? Yep. Nope. Charlie, are you Charlie? Is your name Charlie? Apparently he doesn't want to answer that question. Charlie, do you watch my videos? I hear something, that's why I hit it. I'm like, I hear something, I'm like. Okay, I thought that was gonna be a creepy call. I'm not doing this anymore. I can't. It's too creepy. I'll do bend round after. Bye. Bye, my boy.